Everyone put your phones down now. I have the biggest Needoh haul that you're ever gonna see. I bought every single Needoh I could find because you guys sold them out. I even found the limited edition Valentine's Day one. All because they went viral on TikTok. Warning, you will have FOMO watching this video because they're sold out. And you too will have to drive 2 hours to find them. We're gonna unbox Needohs and we're gonna rank them. I have collected these over the past 4 weeks. Today, we're gonna rank them, and then maybe we'll cut them open. We're gonna be ranking Needohs on 4 things. Texture, talk satisfaction sound, because apparently you guys like ASMR. And would I fight someone in a Walmart store if there was one left and we both had it in our hand? Viewers' discretion is advised. You won't be able to find these, but at least you'll know on your wish list for next Christmas or the next 5 Christmases, which one you'll want when they're back in stock. Our first victim, the Valentine's Day collection. So you know what that means? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. I'm gonna pick which one. Choose this one. It says Needoh you. You plus me equals groovy. That's kind of cringe. And then squish for you. When do we want to go first? The only thing is that these are so small, but they're so cute. Like if you have a little squishy collection, these are cute. So let's go back to our leaderboard. For squish factor, I give it a 2. They're too small. Maybe if you have like little hands, but I need like them all in one hand. TikTok satisfaction sound. You guys like ASMR, so. And would I fight someone in the Walmart aisle for these? No, they're not big enough. Overall, I rank these, let's give them a 6 out of 10. On to the next one. Oh, I was just testing them out. The Splat. This one says, the Splat that sploons. And I don't know what splooning is, but it looks like it's this. Oops. Feels like a spider, but I love the resistancy. It's not like the squishies. It's like you can manipulate it in your hand. The squish factor on this one gets a 10 out of 10. The texture is a little rough. It's smooth, but when you close your eyes or you're not looking, it feels like a spider. Talk sounds, I think it gets a 0 because you can't really hear anything. And would I fight someone in a Walmart store for this? No. Overall, this one still gets a better score, I feel like, than the hearts, just because I feel like I would grab this over the hearts. Now, we gave the hearts a 6. We're gonna give this a 6.5. To the next. This is a ball. Let me tell you, I freaked out when I found this. There was only one. This is massive. This isn't one that I would just play with. You know what it reminds me of is the cheese that you can get from like Walmart and Five Below. That's like a squishy. I like that better than this. I feel like there's a lot of air in it, but I mean, I would still, no, I wouldn't just sit there and play with this. To the rankings. Texture wise, this is the best one yet. I actually really like the texture. It kind of feels like a basketball. Sounds you get to help with. Squish level does get the highest score, and I'm gonna give it, let's give it a 7. Would I fight someone at Walmart to get this in an aisle? Actually, maybe. I am gonna give this one a 7. I would get it over the other 2, but I still think we have a really good amount of other ones to try before we like make that final decision. Don't ask me why I have 2 doll heads here. We're not gonna talk about it. This is a pack of 4. We've got color changing, ripples, which I feel like the big ball was the ripple one, glow and swirl. You know what's crazy is those big dumplings that Five Below or Walmart had. I saw them all the time before they went popular. I just didn't know that they were gonna go popular. This is the color changing one. I wonder if it's like a mood ring. It's not. Oh, it changes when you squish it. I mean, it's better than the hearts. The hearts were just an awkward shape. The ball's a little better. The ripple. This one is the exact same as the big ball, but like the mini version. The swirl. This is just a regular one, but it has a different outline. I kind of like it though. Does it glow? Tell me if you see it glow. Is it glowing? On the squish factor, I'm gonna give this an 8 because these actually, you can use them all together and you get 4. The texture on them, I love. I love the ripple one. It's probably my favorite out of all of them. TikTok satisfaction sound. I feel like ASMR wise, you gotta like this. I feel like, would I fight someone in a Walmart aisle? Absolutely. These are the first ones I could say, yes, I would. We're still in an upward battle where we're consistently ranking these higher now. Give it an 8 because you get 4 and they're all different ones. And you know how hard it is to just find one of these in the store when you can get all 4 mini ones. So this one gets an 8 in my book. To the next. This one is an ice cube one. Now, I want to be truthful with you. Maybe. I already opened it. I got 2 and I'm obsessed with it. And I have honestly been trying to find more. This is the best one ever. This is, I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna rank high. It is so amazing. I actually want to buy 2 more so I can just cut open one. Maybe we'll cut open the Splat one. Let's go rank it because you know it's probably gonna get all 10s. Squish factor gets 100 out of 10. This is the best one. It is my favorite one and I don't think any Needoh will ever beat it. The texture also gets a 10 because it's smooth. TikTok sound. You're not gonna like this because there's no sound. But would I fight someone in Walmart's aisle? Absolutely. I would fight them, I would drag them down, and I would get this. Our official perfect score. I am giving this one a 10, and then we'll have to see if any of the rest give them a 10 because I want like 5 more. Welcome to Maddie's halftime show. If you know what that means, we're gonna open another one of these in hopes that we get the rare. I don't think there is such a thing as the rare because, well, we've yet to get it, and I've opened like 50 of these. But I did get the rare on the regular ones on the first try. So I feel like this is kind of karma. Of course I can't get into it. What would you expect? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. No! Oh my God. This is the one that I just despise. I have at least 20 of this color. Anyway, you don't have to like, subscribe, or anything, but I am giving these away, and I'm gonna start the drawings real soon. So if you want one, comment below and just let me know. On to the next. This is a pig. I said this was a pig, but it's a pup, and I think that means it's a dog, but we're gonna open it anyway. Moment of truth. Is it? Oh, it is. It's a little puppy. You can't really see it, but like there's the ears. Actually already open. It's the, oh wait, they're all different. This is a cat. I like the cat one. It's kind of like nice pup. So we have 2 pups and a cat. And I really like that. They're so squishy. Let's rank them. Now I did buy these individually, which does kind of change the ranking because I think these were like $5 each. The squish factor on them, I think they're better than the balls. I'm just gonna say it. I think it's better. I think they're better than the balls. Texture I like just because it's smooth. I don't like sticky things. I feel like you guys are gonna like the sound, but I feel like the balls were a little bit more. And would I fight someone in Walmart to get one of these? Probably not. I'm gonna give these a solid 7. These are color changing squishies. Now, I will say I didn't just buy 1. I didn't buy just 2. I didn't buy just 3. I didn't buy just 4. And I didn't buy just 5. I actually bought 8, except again, my son is obsessed with Needohs, so he took some. Now, I was hoping that these were like mood ones and you would warm them up and then you could see what colors. But because we did our other one, the mini one, I found out that it just is when you squeeze them. Still don't think that for me, anything besides the ice cube is really worth it. So pink turns to purple. Here's blue. My guess is purple, pink. I would have guessed purple because of like the color wheel. Yellow. 0 for 2 on guessing colors, but I'm gonna go with orange? I was right. Orange. Time to do Maddie's final ranking. Coming in first place, we have Needoh Ice. Must I say much more? This is my favorite, and you should get it too. This was our only 10 out of 10 out of the whole haul. And coming in last, I know it's not a surprise, is the Valentine's Day edition. Now, the reason that these ranked lower than these is these were just weird to hold. And honestly, I didn't feel like they had as much filling in them. So these became dead last. So if you're driving 2 hours like I did, don't. Anyway, that's my Needoh haul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me what you want me to try next or do. Because I'm going off of what you guys say. So it might be a bad day, month, year, but it's not a bad life. I'll see you on the flippy floppy. Also, I don't know if you know, but I have a family channel.